Hi guys, welcome back to another nail polish of the week video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and as usual I am going to get rid of my previous manicure first and start off with clean nails. So I am always prepping my nail with a base coat and I'm actually going to apply 2 layers of this just to make sure that the red polish that I'm going to swatch in this particular nail polish of the week video won't stain my nails that bad. So yeah, this is actually a really nice base coat by Catrice. It is out in stores as we speak. It's from the new Spring Summer 2020 collection and it's really nice. It is super natural. It only has 3 ingredients and it actually makes sure that my manicure lasts a long time as well, and also of course preventing my nails from getting stained by darker colors and so on. But I would highly suggest that if you are going to use a red color for instance, or a hot pink, or maybe even a black, just apply a double layer of base coat to prevent, and just better safe than sorry, you know? So yeah, in my nail polish of the week videos, if you are new and you don't know yet, I always swatch and talk about one particular nail polish color, and today it is time for number 90, Nail Up and Be Awesome by Catrice Cosmetics. These polishes are completely vegan, they're cruelty free, and yeah, they're really safe to use as well. Another good thing is that they are microplastic particle free, and yeah, if you have been following the news like about the world, I'd say, like plastic particles are really harmful for actually every living being, to be honest. And yeah, I definitely think it's a really good step from Catrice Cosmetics to actually get rid of any harmful things and still be able to produce a really cool product. So yeah, that's just a little something that I really wanted to mention in this video as well. Like, a lot of brands are really stepping up their games and I think that's a good thing and we should definitely applaud for that. But back to the color, it is a red tone from their Icon Nails collection, which is their regular nail polish collection within their like basic like line, I'd say. But they did came out with some cool new colors, especially red tones, because not every red will suit everyone, if you know what I mean. So there have to be a couple of different shades, like some will be a little bit more warm like this one, or others will be more cool and classic with a blue undertone. I really love my blue undertoned reds, by the way. I feel like those suit me best, but this is more of like a warmer one with an orangey undertone. I think colors like these work beautifully on guys and girls with a more darker skin tone. I think that is just, it looks fabulous, I have to say. But I just really wanted to try it out for myself because I did receive this polish from my PR company. So yeah, thanks for that, by the way. I really love to receive polishes as nail mail and just to try them out. But I'm actually already applying my second coat of this polish already because I felt like the first coat was way too sheer. Like, my smile line and my natural free edge was like peeking through like crazy, and some people really like the look of that, but personally I just want my nails to have a nice opaque and even layer. So I am even going in with a third layer. I do feel like as you can see here for my thumb, it has a way shorter like free edge. It looks really good after 2 layers already. So if you do have shorter nails and you are going to use this polish, I am sure you're like good to go with just 2 thin coats. But if you have longer nails like I have in this particular video, I'd say just go for 3 coats and cap it in with a nice layer of top coat. Of course, always remember to cap in the edges as well, and also do that for your base coat and your top coat just to prevent tip wear or chipping or anything like that. That is something that has really helped me out throughout the years because I do have like a very manual job. I work a lot with my hands, and yeah, you just don't want to have a chipped nail look, you know, that ain't a pretty sight. So just after every layer has fully dried, I'd say just let it all dry for like 3 to 5 minutes for each layer before you go in with your top coat. I am using a top coat by Catrice as well. This is also one from their new spring summer collection, and it's such a nice one. I'm definitely putting this one as my #1 favorite top coat at the moment. It is the sleep proof top coat. It actually prevents your manicure from getting dents and crinkles and all that stuff. I've mentioned this in previous videos as well, but sometimes when it's a little bit later at night and you're doing your nails, you let it fully dry, you think your nails are fully hardened out and dry, but then you go to bed and the next morning you have like dents and crinkles and everything in your manicure. Like, girl and guy, I've been there. I've done that. It's just, it's like you've done your nails for nothing. But yeah, it ain't a pretty sight, but it's a really nice top coat and it just works really nicely combined with multiple brands of nail polish as well. But this was already my new nail polish of the week video. It's a quick and snappy one. I really like this color, even though I normally don't really like the super warm tones on me. But it is a really nice red and it's quite affordable as well. It's only €3, so yeah, check it out if you want to. But thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.